Okay, we're now live on YouTube. I have this paperwork on my screen. Okay,
Don't think of Weston Stone, that's it's been a while.
Mr. Garcia is still in the breakout room with him.
Okay, yeah, and I would say, yeah, if you go check out that, the way the gate is, you don't use your card.
Mr. Garcia is now on the
Okay,
screen.
Judge, you're bringing him up to the bench.
Do we have the interpreter now? Arlene?
Yes.
I think on your end, I would want to keep.
Okay, so then, do I need to do that interpretation button stuff again? Arlene, are we okay?
So that being said, you know what I'm saying?
So then,
Right,
Mr. Hernandez, Calgamez, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
There's only second.
Put your hand down.
Let's say have a secure spot from the.
Tell you what, Richard, I'm going to mute you for right. No, you are muted. So I don't know where that ambient sound's coming from, but anyway, we'll work around it. All right. Is your name Jefferson Hernandez Caldamez?
Sí, señor.
Okay. Are you the same Jefferson Hernandez Caldamez who in this cause number 2024 CC 739-285, who is charged with the offense of criminal mischief of something had a value between $750 and $2,500? Is that you?
Sí, señor.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor. It is possible in your case that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Sí, señor.
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that correct?
Sí, señor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Sí, señor.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Sí, señor.
And do you understand it?
Sí, señor.
Okay, let me sign this document. 1 minute. Are you a citizen of the United States?
No.
You understand that a plea of guilty or a finding of guilty could affect your immigration status in this country.
Sí, señor.
In other words, if you have a green card, it's possible you could lose your green card. It's possible you could lose your right to become a naturalized American citizen. It's possible you could be deported. Do you understand those three possibilities?
Sí, señor.
Ms. Garcia, does your client understand the possible immigration consequences?
Judge, I believe he does. He informed me that he has a prior aggravated assault with a deadly weapon charge, and he does have an ICE hold.
Okay.
Oh,
I'm now looking and a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it, and so is your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow this plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Sí, señor.
So then, to the offense of criminal mischief of something had a value between $750 and $2,500, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No me opongo.
Okay, 1 minute. You understand on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty anyway. You understand that?
Sí, señor.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, señor.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer made for you, besides that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, señor.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Sí.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Your Honor, it is for a $0 fine, court costs, 365 days in Barrow County Jail, credit for time served, time and money running concurrently. The state is asking that the court satisfy this judgment.
That's understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Garcia.
It is, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Hernandez Galvez?
Sí, señor.
Then the court, sir, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 365 days in the Barrow County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run current. The judgment is satisfied. Now, as far as this case is concerned, this case no longer holds him, but he still has something else holding him. Did I hear you say, Mr. Garcia? He still has a ice hole?
Correct, Judge.
Okay. So as far as this case is concerned, this case is over with, sir, but you still have an ice hole and you may have some other cases. I'm not sure. Good luck to you. Tell the deputies that we're finished with your case. And Mr. Garcia, you can be excused. Thank you for helping us out again today.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, now Arlene, you are finally credit interpreter can finally be excused, and so can our marvelous court reporter. Thank you, guys. Right? And
I won't
Cassie,
leave
can
without magic words, Judge. Don't forget to turn off YouTube.
oh, I was about ready to